of horrible quality stuff, but I mean, have one subscriber, and it's my friend. Lucas, if you ever seen this, bro, tell everybody my YouTube channel. They're probably not gonna look it up. So, sit right here. Whoa, things going glitchy, just like that at me. You're like too high for my level. So this is a Dirtbike, in which I can't find a gosh darn place where this can sit at. Oh my heaven lords. Let me just yoink. Can you see better? There we go. So this right here is a KTM. If you can barely even see, it's a 65SX. This was meant for racing. It does not have any front brakes. This is the throttle. It has the clutch. This is not a brake, first of all. Here. Is it still leaking oil? Because I feel like oil just leaked over my shoe. You gotta be kidding me. They just rebuilt this thing, so it's probably running rich. That's why it's leaking oil. That black stuff's oil. Oh my god! Well, to which is, see to where sticker board. Do you see how it moves easily and slides? That's because it's a neutral, and that's half a click up. But if I click down, for you able to shift gears, sometimes you gotta be moving. So now it should be in first. So now when I try to move it, watch this. This is a horrible idea. Because I know what that sound is. I don't know if you guys heard how to start a dirt bike, but it's okay. People use Kickstarters. You know how bump starting? You go down a hill in neutral, then you turn into first gear. Boom! You can hear it turning over. Watch. It's going to which if I roll, it's going to go. So it's in first. And if I pull on the clutch, it's in first. See, I have the clutch down. This is not a brake. Now, when I move it, it should just move, not me. Okay, it's still being edited. I mean, stop pulling the clutch to kind of stop. What I do for stopping, easily just kill switch, put my foot down. Kill switch, put my foot down. And to where, this is not the throttle side, this is a clutch. This is a clutch. This does nothing with like a brake or anything. There's the back brake on this side. There's a kickstand. If I don't even use that. I just modified it. Up here, be the front brake. But we're ordering it, see? This is a dirt bike. And but I wanted one for years. So, got for this Christmas, I literally learned how to ride this thing by myself in less than 1 hour. I'm dead serious. My dad, I rode with him, so that means I had control of the gears, the brake, and turning, and throttle control. But he was keeping it stable. Then, he held it onto my back and ran next to me. That gave me more support. Then guess what he did? So I started to drive, just let's go. And then I'm like, no, I can't do this. But I'm like, I went around by myself. It was that easy. I've mastered it. Well, not mastered it, because I can do anything. If I mastered, you can literally do anything. That means I can literally jump this quad and through it. It's not mastering it, so learn how to ride it. But yeah. Wait, is the gas off? Yeah. Let's see what's in it. Just checking sure, because if I did this and the gas was on, it would let oil into the carburetor. And you only want that to happen when it's running, so it's not just a rundown of, oh cool, yeah, we have quads and stuff, but this is impossible to turn because this is the throttle. And I know, cool Dirtbike and everything. You just get your show around it. Look at it. Then quads and all that other stuff. Yeah, but how about record me skateboarding? Ew. Skateboard. Don't know how to skateboard either. You should see me as soon as I go past this front row. Oh. Flip, 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 flip. Almost fell off. I will doing? I know. This is only my second video. Moving. Oh, dude, I'm going backwards. I'm going backwards. Dude, what? I was going like this. But Dirtbike, yeah. Lucas, if you think this, don't know how I'm gonna meet up with you on Fulton. One Blue Thomas one. Is that your name again? Look at that! I can see my front wheel. Yeah, never worked. So, I don't know, but I'm definitely going to record more videos soon. So, that's all for today. So, alright, that's all for today, and yeah, peace.